I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the touch sampling rate test on the Realme X7 Max device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Realme X7 Max. So let's see how much the touch sampling rate in this phone we can actually find out, because the company, they did claim the phone is capable of having the 360 Hz touch sampling rate with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 360 Hz touch sampling rate, as you can see friends. So let's see by using these two applications whether we'll be able to achieve that kind of 360 Hz touch sampling rate or not. So let me show you exactly settings friends, what phone I'm trying to use. As you can see, this is a Realme X7 Max which I did order from the Flipkart directly. This is a retail unit and 8GB variant and 128GB model, as you can see clearly. And next thing I'll try to show you exactly what refresh rate also I'm trying to use. So it's of 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can see here. So right now there's two different types of testing which I'll be trying to do. So test number 1 by adding these two applications into the game space, and test number 2 by removing them from game space. The reason why I'm doing this kind of testing is because in few of the smartphones that highest touch sampling rate is designed in such a way that it will be only perform under the games only, not in the normal application. You cannot get high touch sampling rate, only for the games you can get in few of the smartphones, not in this phone, few of the smartphones. That is what I'm trying to find out, whether it's there in this phone or not. That is the reason I'll try to do the 2 times testing. So these are the two applications which are successfully added into this game space, as you can clearly see friends. So now let's see what will be the touch sampling rate in the Realme X7 Max, how much we can actually expect from this phone. So let me try to use the touch sampling rate, as you can see friends. So right now you'll be able to see the maximum it went up to 360. As you can see friends, right now it's not going more than that. So I did add into the game space, and with game space you are getting 360, as you can clearly see. But normally what we need to do is that I need to minus this 360 and the refresh rate, then we'll be getting the actual touch sampling rate. So that is what a few of the users did ask me to recommend me to try in this kind of testing. So 360 Hz minus 120 Hz refresh rate, which I'm trying to use. So overall touch sampling rate is 240 Hz. So the company, they did claim that the Realme X7 Max can actually reach up to 360 Hz touch sampling rate, but I was unable to get that 360 Hz touch sampling rate in this phone friends. I'm not sure what is the problem and what is the mistake I'm trying to do, but still I did add into the game space, and as you can see clearly, but still I was unable to get that kind of high touch sampling rate in this application. So it did not happen in other smartphones like iQOO 7, Mi11X and OnePlus 9R. So whatever the company is claiming, I'm getting exactly same touch sampling rate, no issues. I'm not sure why the touch sampling rate is really low. It's showing right now, as you can see friends. So 240 Hz I'm getting, not 360 Hz. So if you watch this video, which is a touch sampling rate video, you will clearly understand I did comparison with the 4 different devices. As you can see friends clearly, there's multiple touch sampling rate videos which I did upload. You can check those videos. Even there is a phone which has got the 480 Hz touch sampling rate, which I do have right now. So all those phones are completely capable of exactly getting touch sampling rate what the company is claiming, but not this one. As you can see, it's showing only through 360, not more than that. So this is the one application which I want to test, and next application is a touch sensitive application. Let me try to clear the wall screen, everything. So everything is clear. So now let me try to use the touch screen right now. So it's kind of really smooth. So as you can see, it's smooth, not circles. I'm not getting any kind of circles. And this application also added into the game space only. As you can see friends, it's kind of really smooth, not much problem. As you can see, sometimes some circles I'm trying to get when I try to use in speed. I'm trying to use in speed. Let me do in the speed way. As you can see, in the speed it's detecting little by little touches, not much. Let me do in medium speed. So medium speed and slow speed and slow speed. As you can see the difference. So this I'll try to compare with other smartphones. If you want me to do, definitely I can do that. So this is adding into the game space particularly. As you can see, everything is adding into game space. So now remove this. Let me to remove these applications from the game space. So let me to go here. So these are the two applications which I'm trying to remove from the game space completely. Now check what will be the touch sampling rate. As you can see, there's no change in that. I'm still getting the 360 Hz only. As you can clearly see friends, 360 Hz, not more than that. So whenever you do this kind of testing in this particular application, which is a touch multi-touch, you should always minus the refresh rate as well. So that is what most of the users they recommended me to do as well. So if you minus those scores, then definitely you will get really less touch sampling rate, which is a 240 Hertz only in this Realme X7 Max, so which is not expected. So that is another thing which you need to note down and before buying the device. So definitely friends, so I'll keep an eye on that particular topic as well regarding testing the touch sampling rate with other smartphones. So stay tuned for that video in case if you're interested. So now let's see in this application whether it will be any kind of change. So there is no change I can actually feel. So there is no change I can actually feel in this application. So no issues. Same thing I was getting before and now as well. Same, not much change. So definitely friends, I did expect the touch sampling rate to be really higher. I think the what the company is climbing, if the company is climbing 300 Hz, that's no problem, it should be 300 Hz. Same like the iQOO 7 device and other smartphones, MI Linux device. So if the company is climbing 360 Hz, we should be able to see the 360 Hz touch sampling rate, but not less touch sampling rate. But definitely I think, I'm not sure what is happening right now, whether the application is wrong or whether this one is wrong. But definitely I'll try to use some other applications as well if possible meanwhile. But overall, this is a quick review friends on this phone in terms of the touch sampling, and make sure to comment below in case if you want me to compare with other smartphones. Definitely I can do that kind of comparison in my channel for you all. And I'm really shocked it's not what the company is claiming. So same application I did test in multiple smartphones and same thing the results is. And thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. And one more thing, you may get doubt why I am minusing the 360 Hz minus refresh rate, 360 Hz which we got in this application, and minus the refresh rate. So this is how you need to do. Let me try to show you the proof what will happen if I try to decrease the refresh rate. Let me try to go to the display. So go to the more option, and right now let me try to decrease the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Now the score also will be decreasing to 300 Hz. So let me try to show you friends. As you can see right now, you can only see the maximum 300 Hz, not more than that, as you can see clearly. So now your touch sampling rate will be 300 Hz minus 60 refresh rate, so total 240 Hz, as you can clearly see friends. So even if you use 120 Hz refresh rate as 60 Hz refresh rate, the same thing will be there. The touch sampling rate is 240 Hz, which we got recorded in this Realme X7 Max device. So thank you for watching this video friends. For more videos, make sure to check the links in description, and definitely do comment below what are your thoughts on the touch sampling rate, which is not expected. So see you in the next video friends. And this live wallpapers, all the links will be available in the description below. My next video soon I'll upload on the Genshin Impact very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.